So quickly, what makes Tshepang Moremi so good? Siyazi ukuthi leading goal scorer at Orlando Pirates this season so far with I think about 8 goals across all competitions. But kunento abantu abaningi abangayibonanga mhla efika wabuza Thomas Mlambo ukuthi who's his favorite player at Orlando Pirates. Wathi Benny McCarthy. Membuza ukuthi why to Benny McCarthy? Because he scores goals.
Which Pirates legend do you look up to?
Benny McCarthy. Yeah.
Maragadali position boy.
Striker. Ngiyakhona ukudlala lapha kancane kodwa
uthanda ngopeni
uyakora nje
yizo le
uyakora too much uyakora
and then
wambuza ukuthi yena wenzani wathi hayi mina ngiyakora mina ngiya-assist umsebenzi wami lowo
mawunga explain ukuthi Mr. Moremi his style of football, what style is it?
Mina Nyalandano 1v1, I take people on, I make runs behind the defense line, then I score goals, I assist.
He's exactly the kind of profile Orlando Pirates bekade idinga. If you remember very well, there was a time in 2020 when Sundowns was playing with abadlali abaningi who were playing too much football, and I said to them, uyazi ngoba ithenga Erasmus manje no Peter Shalulile will score way more goals than Erasmus as much as befike kanje bathi equality kakhulu. Ngathi no, Erasmus also likes to play football. Sometimes if team inabadlali bamnandi yamdinga umdlali nje ofuna ukugijima shaya igoli nofuna nje ungena esikhaleni shaya igoli. That's why uShalulile is thriving at Sundowns because they've got too many ball players and he doesn't do a lot. Uyabo into yakhe ukushaya igoli. So Tshepang Moremi, that's why he comes at the Pirates ukuthi badlala umbule already siyababona badlala impela ibhola balitapeta kodwa yena into la ikhanda lakhe nje ulokhuzana ngisho olokhuzana bamnandi wapolice into esekhanda kaMremi mangithola ibhola ngishaya igoli and uzoshaya inqwaba yamagoli this season awubhekela yabonaka la singena ngomzuzu ka80 la sidlala neStellenbosch silida ngo1-0 sangena suMremi kodwa ngesihlale singambuza ukhipha uthi ngubonga kaEpaleni badlala buka irun esishayo ngaka left thina irun esishayayo ukuthi siyokora run in behind nje basishilo ungubonga ke keeper samgeja hey ngesihlale singabuzi khona ngisho singangena kunini egame mina ubona nje ucoach esinika umdlandla awusukaneni madoda nakho ladlala khona ne TS Galaxy igame isasuka kodwa sesiyokhahlela sifuna igoli thina into esicabanga igoli thina kwasinika shayipali sifuna igoli thina ekhanda lethu kuduma igoli nje thina ngisho bengadlala bethini sizamazamile nakho la sidlala nakho kwi TS Galaxy awuthi ngibo senzani siyamlanda Ramlad siyambuza ungubonga uyabona ize score suke sizame kaningi yabo score nje suke sizame kaningi yasadlala TS Galaxy la Ramlada akere isithethe nasiyaladana riyabalada bathu 1-on-1 uyabo sifuna igoli lana konje kwakunini awusizama lokho ku TLB ngeassist la kwehluleka phela Ready Sharp ledi assist litsona di assist Ready Sharp la ne Sundowns la nayi le run yethu madoda saseyishayile uApolice wethu vele uhlala esiphasela kuyazi nawe ishot yasinika laphunyuka ibhola uApolice wethu yasinika esani kube sakhona kuthala ngaboka la ngadliwe kweminye imizi kwaphinde kwasiphasela futhi idefender lethu CM sani kwa time lo Ronwen Williams kodwa nje sihlale sicabanga igoli thina into esihlale sicabanga siyifunela nje igoli hayi okuningi masidlala sifuna ukuassist noma sishaya igoli awulana nkosami wasincisha uCM abuka simika mnandi kanjani suMremi wasincisha uCM ayisasakhala awasincisha la uCM amadoda ibhola okay nangu apolice wethu esinika lapha lokho kuthiwa sasisephakathini kaMdawu sasikuliphi kanti iphakethe ungubongaki ayikwasho ukuthi kwembethe man siyambuza ukuthi ungubongaki lapha noWilliams ya sihle nala kwi final nje singena sacishe sakore game sayiqeda singena nje kwasho ukuthi besisafuna ukunibonisa hat-trick that's why singalikoranga le header sayigeja but uyabona sihleli sizama sifuna igoli thina sasafuna ukunibonisa umhlolo hat-trick buka sacishe saqeda igame singena sihleli sicabangela igoli thina nothing more nala sasesescoreleke la seku1-0 sescorile sesinikorele siUMremi kodwa sisafuna elinye igoli yabo wasiphethe ibhola nje sicabanga igoli nothing else ungubongaki keeper ekwasho ukuthi kuvimbile lokho keeper yabo la sasesescorile futhi kule game le ku3 nesidlala neChippa United igoli lethu lokuqala le season buka basinika ibhola ayisani sageja cha ngizokwafaka la nesiwakorayo ngifuna ukunikhombisa ukuthi sisuke sizame kangakanani ze score thina hlale sicabanga igoli thina